Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we are, I believe, in Plain Spring. But let us go here and check this car. It's a 2013 Nissan Altima Maxima. The engine computer was replaced. So let's go together and see what we need to do. Engine computer will not stop the ignition from coming on. So as you see, and I'm gonna use my Maxi 608. Turning this one, we put a boost on it. Yes, sir. So now we have here the system. I'm gonna accept it. It must become green here. And what we need to do now is go to Asian car and go to Nissan. And from Nissan, we are going to look for something called automatic detection. I'm gonna put the hazard light on. Door have to be cycled at least one time, or they say open and close the door. If you notice here, the security light is on, check engine light is there. They say open and close the door right one time. So I'm gonna open it and close it. Follow the step is better. I see there is another module in the front. I don't know if they changed that one or something, but we're gonna scan the system. The voltage is 10.47. Believe me, it's very weak, but in case there is a problem, maybe I have to bring a car. It's 11 volt. Always try to have a fully functional. They change a lot of stuff here. This is a climate control for this car. They change it. They change also another piece here. I don't know what it is for, but I hope if the car could start, I will be happy. We are 45%. You say I key error. It doesn't have a slot to put anything here, by the way. Please subscribe, share, and like. You see door lock, unlock work. %60. (2014). There's a problem now. No communication. Is that because the battery is weak? I'm supposed to communicate with this car correctly. When I see voltage is 11, maybe it's weak. I'm gonna bring a car. I start the car and I put a jumper to be like 14 volts at least. If it doesn't work, then we take it from there. %80. If it doesn't work, we have to change the system. Okay, nothing is working. Ignition is on. It's supposed to communicate even though the ignition is off. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna bring my car. It looks like this car have other issue. Yes. This is clicking. I see one wire here. This is supposed to go inside somewhere. You see here? Is that true? Somebody didn't put it well. Let me see. Or he have a different module. Yeah, he did not put it. So let me put this one. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. I put that one in. Some connectors. I'm not sure, but I gotta bring another car to put it next to it. I see something here. Maybe he never changed it, I'm not sure. But let me try to see if I'm communicating first. Before that, I gotta bring a car and I put a jumper. Stay with us. Okay, let me see if I can communicate now again. I gotta go to this one here. North America, I'm gonna try it. Altima 20. This is Altima sedan 2014. Say yes. Control unit, immobilizer. Let me see. I'm gonna try to see if I'm communicating now. Before I am missing something. No communication. I cannot recognize anything. The same thing. MO scan. No communication. 10 volts is very slow. I'm gonna try to put a charge. No, there is no way. I'm gonna bring the charger. I'm gonna bring a car and see what happens. Okay, I put the charger. Now I have 13 volts. You see, I pulled the car there. I pulled the power all the way here. And now let's try to see if we'll be able to communicate with the car. Maybe if there's a voltage. If the voltage is low, maybe MO scan. I did that. 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. The relative function not recognized. Please check if the system you select is correct. You can try to turn the hazard on light, eliminate instrument cluster. Okay, I did also if ignition can be turned on. Yes. So there is nothing here. I'm gonna try to go back to diagnose because it looks like we have a problem here. I'm gonna diagnose this car. I gotta go by VIN number, auto detect. Okay, here you see I'm not able to communicate with the car, which is very weird. So we're gonna wait a little bit. There's no communication with the car at all. I'm supposed to communicate and see connection here is okay. It doesn't want to look at it. It doesn't want to see it. Take it out. Push it back again. I want to talk to the car. I'm gonna cancel this. I gotta go by car. Manual selection. North America, US. No, this is not Infinity. I'm sorry, I was working on Infinity before. So diagnose, go back. Yes. Nissan. Yeah, now I have a green one here. I gotta go to manual selection, North America, US, Altima. No, go back. Altima sedan. Maybe L32. Yes. L32 is not. Maybe L33. 2014, yeah. Say yes. Diagnose. I want to see the engine computer first. Engine. I cannot communicate with the engine computer, unfortunately. Transmission. No communication. Airbag. No communication. ABS. No communication. Turn the key off. It's even. We have the same issue. It's not even it's not even turning on. Okay, see reverse, neutral. This is park. So it's not even turning on. Hazard light turn on. It's not even turn on. Turn off, I'm sorry. So that means we have serious. First, we don't have no communication. What about the air condition? Cluster. We don't have no communication at all. So this car here, you have electrical problem and the charging is 13 point something. I put the charger on. What do you want to do? I'm gonna try to take this test and go try to get some test. It look like this car have issue. You see, I put a charger here and I go all the way there, try to charge it, it doesn't work. I want to ask if this is the one that they change it. Let me go here. This one clicking. I want to know if I have power here too. At least some power here. Yeah, I have power. I have power. Okay. Let me ask them if if they change this one or which one they change. I'm coming back.